Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by mapping what matters most. List exam topics, note their weight, and focus on the top 20% that yields most marks. Once done, schedule 90-minute study blocks and break them with 25/5 Pomodoro cycles so attention stays sharp. Make sure to gather one practice book, syllabus, past papers, and a concise formula sheet before you dive into active practice. These are your immediate first actions. Follow them now to turn planning into measurable study time. You move into deliberate practice. Alternate active recall with spaced repetition and timed past paper drills so retrieval strengthens memory and speed. Once done with a set, update an error log, record each mistake, why it happened, and the corrective step, because fixing patterns beats repeating them. Make sure to teach key ideas aloud or write concise summaries targeting 3 core concepts per session. This transforms passive review into robust understanding. Vary problems and simulate exam timing to build accuracy under pressure. You complete the cycle by simulating full exams twice under real conditions. Once done, review weak sections immediately and integrate corrective practice into the next block. Make sure to polish answer technique. Use clear structure, exam keywords, and strict time allocation per question so you don't lose easy marks. If things go wrong, isolate the cause, content gap, timing, or anxiety, and apply one targeted fix that you can test in the next mock. This troubleshooting keeps progress on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.